Hey, this is Pavan. Welcome to Technofiles Up. Today we are going to talk about the important tools that can help you build your applications efficiently. So I thought of these three tools, text editor, Git, and node package manager. We'll talk about them individually in another video, but I'll give you an overview that can help you to begin with. So let us begin. Text editor. A good text editor will always help you in many ways that you will not imagine. So not n- it is not only about having a good text editor, but getting used to that text editor and being comfortable in that text editor is also important. So I've been using a Sublime Text for a long time, but if you are not using any text editor, you are free to choose different text editors that are available on the internet. There are many text editors that are available, like some of them are Atom, Brackets, Sublime Text, Notepad++, Vim. There are so many text editors that are available in the internet. And even if you are thinking of Dreamweaver, it is also one of the text editors, if I may say so. But getting used to that text editor is very important to you. Like, you have to be comfortable with that text editor. And the good thing about the text editors that are recent is that there is a plugin manager which is integrated to the text editor, and installing plugins is becoming just a minute or 30 seconds job. So these plugins will help you in many ways. So let me open Sublime Text. So okay, let me open one PHP file so that you know what I'm talking about. So okay, I have this here, so I'll create a new file, and let's me save it as index.html. So if I'm going to type HTML there, it is showing a tool, or a tooltip, so that I just can press tab here to create this entire text. If I am to type this thing, it might take a minute or two, but here the tool is helping me to do this. But if you are using Dreamweaver, then it automatically puts all this content in any HTML file that you're developing. So, of course, there are different tools that have different techniques in which it will help you. Uh, so, getting used to text editor is very important, and I suggest you to get used to any text editor that will have multiple plugins. Like here we have Emmet plugin, Sublime Text. Emmet is also available in many other text editors. So so what I'm trying to say is get used to one good text editor. We'll talk about this text editor, what are the different tools, what are the different plugins that help you in another video. But this is just the beginning. So have a good text editor and start using it properly. And next thing is Git. So one thing that we face every now and then is that you will change the existing code many times. So keeping track of this code becomes difficult. So there is something called as revision control system, um, where we manage all the revisions of a particular you know file. So GitHub and Bitbucket are two good internet sources where you can manage all the revisions. So basically all you need to do is create a file, uh, commit the changes that you have made, and push the changes to the internet source. So this will manage your application on web itself. So it's like you can download the file whenever you want. There can be multiple people working on the same file from different sources. To give you an example, let me show that as well. So I always change the source code of my project. So I'll open this portfolio. So let's say that this is my work, this is my application that I'm developing. So if I'm you to use GitHub, I'll first verify, like, I have laptop at my work and I have desktop at my home. So I commit the changes from different sources. So if I am to, verify if the changes in this particular system are recent, I'll use git pull. So it will pull the resources from internet if there are any changes. So there are changes in this particular source. It is trying to ask me for the password. So I'll give the password. So it will download the content from web. It shows what are the changes that I have made in different sources. So and when I am doing the changes, I'll commit the changes from here. It will be pushed to the internet. It's like managing your code in Dropbox, but it has revisions associated with it. It will keep track of all the changes that you have done so far. Like you can revert to any version in the past. So GitHub or Bitbucket. The differences between GitHub and Bitbucket is that Bitbucket allows you to have private repositories where you will not share the code with the people. Like it is by popular company called Atlassian, and it's a different company which will allow you to store the private repositories where GitHub doesn't allow that. So that's the reason why I have to use Bitbucket as well. So we'll talk about the revision control system in another video, but for now this is one of the things that you can have in your you know development arena so that you can get most out of it. So GitHub is one another thing. Node package manager. Okay, Node is server side JavaScript development environment where you can develop JavaScript without actually needing to run it on the browser. So and with the advanced capabilities of Node, people started actually developing packages in Node. So Bower is one such package which I regularly use. So what it does is that whatever maybe the internet package that you want to use, you can just download it using Bower. Let's say that uh, here in this example there are many Bower components that I have downloaded. So like font awesome, jQuery, um, date pick, all these things are available on Bower. You just need to type Bower install certain package. This will download and put the source code of it in the Bower components folder. And one thing that I have observed is that it will download in such a way that you can directly link them, and whenever you update, there is no need of you to change the version of that particular source. So this is one good thing that I've been using from some time. So Bower is one such package. Similarly, there are many packages that are available as part of Node Package Manager like Grunt, Bower, Cordova, uh, less. Okay, sir, there are gulp. Okay, there are many applications, many packages, I must say, that are available as part of Node Package Manager. Um, you can take, best use of it, based on your need. So these are some of the things that I wanted to talk. Hope you found this useful. I'll talk more about these individual tools in next few videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.